Hi, I'm Rochelle, and today we're having raw vegan pineapple fried rice. Trying out a new recipe for this pineapple sauce. In it there is coconut and coconut water and pineapple and a very special ingredient which is homemade curry powder from Michelle. Have a look. It smells really good. So Michelle made this and I thought I wanted to use it to make the pineapple sauce. And since I have pineapple, I decided to make pineapple boats and pineapple fried rice. So what's in the pineapple fried rice? It's not real rice because it's raw vegan. So there's cauliflower, there's also raisins, there's also cashew nuts, some long beans, some chili, a pineapple, of course, if not it won't be pineapple fried rice, some shallots, and I've also paired it together with my very own sambal belacan recipe. I just taught how to make this the other day at Masak at Ben's, and there'll be upcoming classes as well if you want to learn more about raw vegan food. So check out the Ben's website under Masak. The dates will be announced in end of this month. Yeah, and I think I'll list out all the ingredients that are for this recipe down in the captions below. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and comment below if you have any comments, and feel free to share it with your friends. Till the next video, see you. Catch me on Instagram stories while you wait for the next video. Bye.